Sourcing electronic components can feel like a gamble. Does your supplier have the extra capacity? Will they meet your expectations? Do they even know what they're doing? Truth is, when suppliers can't deliver great timing components on time, every time, it creates chaos and uncertainty for everyone. But what if you could trade in all that uncertainty for some harmony? For over 45 years, Harmony Electronics has been manufacturing our own crystal components. We own and operate numerous factories across multiple regions, so we can ensure the entire process from design to test to manufacture to delivery. We are not just your typical supplier. Give us the list of parts you need and sit back while we do the rest. Within days, you can have a detailed quote and a firm shipment date, all without a PO. And that's just the start. Along the way, we anticipate your needs and adapt to obstacles to deliver on what we promised no matter what. Imagine never having to wonder whether you'll get the crystal components you need when you need them. That's what it's like when you're working with Harmony.